Hello everyone, Dr. Barnett here. It's currently August the 15th, a little after 7 p.m. on Friday. We are just about 3 days away, Tuesday, right, for our first class. And I just wanted to come on here and say hello and let you guys meet me for many of you, maybe most of you for the first time. I do know that Professor Rainey was scheduled to teach this class, but his schedule changed, and as did mine. And so I'll be covering down this class for this semester, so not to worry. Okay? We are going to have a great time this semester. It's been a rough summer, right, for all of us with banner and registration and all. And I know you guys suffered a great deal going through that experience. As faculty, we suffered a great deal going through it, and so did administrators. And there's still some bugs in it, and so we'll get through it. Let's just if we focus on learning as much material as we can, and trying to have fun along the way, I think it will be a very enjoyable semester. So nothing for you to dread. Okay? So on Tuesday, what we'll do, if you look on Canvas, you'll see that there's a VPN key. I want you to install OpenVPN Connect. Please try to use that software instead of some other VPN, because I can't guarantee that that's going to work. But let me share my screen here just briefly so I can kind of give you an idea of what's going on with that. Okay, if you guys can see this. As I mentioned before, the course syllabus, we'll go through all of this, all these different pieces. But the main thing that I want you guys to see is that here on M0.3, the Zoom link for here is here. Under office hours on page Meet Your Instructor. Okay, and there's another Zoom link a couple of pages after that as well. Let's see, let's get through here. You mean Canvas is not going to, here we go. I guess you got to click harder than what I did. So on the course, now this is a summary. This is a shortened course syllabus. The actual course syllabus itself is on the left here under syllabus. You'll get the full syllabus from there. This is just an abbreviated version, but right here you'll see there's a Zoom link. Again, it's the same one. And so our meeting times, 1:30 on Tuesdays and Thursdays. I will be taking attendance. Okay, it's a full class. And yeah, so we'll have a great time, as I mentioned. One other thing, right, is that, so here, whenever you have a solid connection, right, and I'll walk you guys through this, don't worry, okay? Our goal on Tuesday is to get everybody connected and logged into their account, okay? That's the primary goal on Tuesday. So here, this gives us a connection to the Gryffindor server, which really it's just a place to store your files so that I can see them. You won't actually, it'll make it easier for us to interact and other people to interact if we have a group project or such. But I guess the last thing I want to just mention to you guys is that the what was it here? Yeah, it was the Eclipse. So there'll be two ways to do your programs. You can either use Eclipse, like I said, from your desktop. This is on my desktop. But the only difference is that the files for your projects are being saved on the cloud, okay, as opposed to your local desktop. Again, that way everything is compiled on the school server, and we have access to it. It minimizes a lot of the heavy lifting and stuff. So, and then also you can also do hand compiling, which I will show you guys. And this is my preferred method actually. Is that I'll use some of these command line interface commands, which are very similar to Windows. This is Linux. It is indeed Linux, but you don't have to do it this way. Okay? If you prefer Eclipse, it just takes a little bit to set it up, and you'll get used to it. Don't worry. But anyways, I guess I'm going to close it up here so that I don't make this video long. It's got to be under 5 minutes. So, that's my target. All right, guys, listen, just relax. We're going to have a good time, right? If we're not having fun, we're doing something wrong. So we'll see you on Tuesday. Good luck.